Welcome to PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, my channel where we explore the many ways AI is being used in video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any news or information you will want to know about. For my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the video. Today we're talking about DJI drones. There are a few different types, so let's quickly go over them. First, you have consumer drones. These are what most people think of used for recreational flying and awesome aerial photography. Popular examples are the DJI Mini and Mavic series. Then there are enterprise drones. These are heavy-duty machines for commercial and industrial use, often kitted out with specialized gear like mechanical shutters or advanced zoom cameras for tasks like surveying and search and rescue. Finally, we have first-person view or FPV drones. These are built for an immersive high-speed flying experience, often used in drone racing. But the real question everyone is asking is, why is the US government trying to ban DJI drones? Let's clear things up. Right now, DJI drones are not banned in the United States. However, there is a potential ban on new sales looming. It all hinges on a required national security audit that needs to be completed by a December 23, 2025 deadline. So, what happens if this audit doesn't get done? Well, DJI and other drone manufacturers would be automatically added to a regulatory list, which would likely prevent any of their new products from being sold or used in the United States. Now, if you already own a DJI drone, the good news is it would likely remain legal for you to use. The uncertainty, however, lies in ongoing support and the availability of future products. There's also this automatic default ban. If the risk assessment isn't completed by that same deadline, DJI and other drone companies would automatically be added to the Federal Communications Commission's covered list. Being on this list would also prevent new DJI products from getting FCC approval, which effectively bans their sale and use in the US as well. But here's a twist. As of now, no agency has actually stepped forward to conduct this mandated audit. DJI has even stated that the review process hasn't even begun. This isn't the only hurdle for DJI though. The company is already on the Commerce Department's entity list, which restricts its access to US technology. This also places it on that FCC covered list, which prohibits DJI equipment from being used on US communications infrastructure. The main concern cited by the US government, although no public proof has been presented, is that footage and data collected by the drones could be accessed by foreign entities. In response to this potential ban, we're already seeing new drone brands popping up online with designs that look very similar to DJI's models. I will drop some links in the description below so you can check out what is still for sale. But remember, that December 2025 deadline is getting closer. So, to recap, if you already own a DJI drone, it remains legal to use. But the downsides could be significant. Future firmware updates might be affected, there would be no new releases, and forget about any next-gen upgrades. Thanks for taking the time to check out my video today. Any links I mentioned will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any important AI surveillance information. And be sure to check out the thumbnails popping up on your screen for similar content. Don't forget, PeekAboo-AI. See you.